Hi students, in the previous class we discussed about that topic is frequency distribution tables. Then we can represent the data by using graphical representation, that is bar graph, frequency polygon and frequency curve. Now bar graph means in the 7th class we discussed, we represented the data by using the bar graphs and pie chart, but in 8th class we are going to construction of a histogram. Histogram is similar to bar graph, but here we have to take some exclusive classes, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 classes. Then frequencies means here number of students or number of workers, anything. So how to construct a histogram of given the data? See, I am taking one example. Intelligent quotient means IQ of the students are given here. IQ between 60 to 70, there are 2 students, 70 to 80, 5 students, 80 to 90, 6 students, 90 to 100, 10 students, and 100 to 110, 9 students, 110 to 120 is 8 students, 120 to 130 is 5 students. This data we have to represent on the histogram. Then how to construct a histogram? Here we have to follow that 4 steps. First, we have to draw that one horizontal line and one vertical line in the plane. That horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. Next, we have to plot, we have to locate that given the classes, means here IQs on the x-axis, given the frequencies on the y-axis, means number of students. We have to select the scale. We have to select suitable scale according to the boxes on the graph sheet. In this problem they gave only highest frequency is 10. Number of highest students are 10. So we can select that on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Suppose 50, 100 like that given means we have to change the scale. According to the first step, we have to draw one horizontal line. This is called x-axis. Draw the vertical line. This is y-axis. Take one graph sheet and draw one horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line, that is called y-axis. On x-axis we have to take the classes, means on x-axis we have to take that IQ. Here 0 to 10 first is 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130. These are given the classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These IQs we have to take on the x-axis. On y-axis we have to take number of students. Before that we have to select the scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to here 10 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On the y-axis 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. IQ between 60 to 70, there are two students. 60 to 70, there are two students. At 2, mark the point and draw one bar that is in the shape of a rectangle. 70 to 80, there are 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 80 to 90, 6 students. Next, 90 to 100 is 10 students. And 100 to 110 is 9 students. (110 to 120 is 8 students. Next, 120 to 130 is 5 students. So, this is representing the IQs of various students of the data. So, this is the graphical representation of histogram. In the histograms, all the bars are in the shape of a rectangles. So, here just we have to follow the steps. First, we have to draw that x and y axis. Then, second step is we have to take that given the class on the x axis, frequencies on the y axis, means classes means IQ or amounts, then frequencies means number of students, number of workers. The third is we have to select the suitable scale according to the given the frequencies or given the classes. Right, we have to draw rectangle bars, so that is indicating histogram. The next one is represent the data by using frequency polygon and frequency curve also there. To construct a frequency polygon, we have to take class marks and frequencies. Class marks will be get, suppose 60 to 71 class is there. The class mark of 60 to 70 means the average of these two boundaries, lower boundary and upper boundary. So, class mark of 60 to 70 is 60 plus 70 by 2, that is 130 by 2 is equal 65. So, class marks of the each class is the average of lower boundary and upper boundary. To construct a frequency polygon, we have to take class marks on the x axis, frequencies on the y axis.